It's a free digital journal giveaway. Happy Lunar New Year! Okay, hello everybody, it's Uvie and I'm back with a digital journal for the month February. And I know I haven't done this in a while, but yeah, here I am. So I'll be doing a free giveaway of my journal I created, first time creating one, and I'm excited with the result. So I'm going to open it right now in Goodnotes, and it's first time using Goodnotes, so I'm still getting used to it. So this is how my journal looks. This is my cover page, and I want to write my name right now, but I won't lie to you, I found it so hard to figure it out. I was making so much mistakes, but I figured it out. It's not that hard. I mean, once you get used to it, you will know about it. It's Goodnotes, and it's the best app so far that I know for digital journaling, and yeah, this is the one I've used so far. I'm trying to change the font so my name can be spelled in something like nice and lovely. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm finding it so hard to pick up the name and position it the way I want it, so I finally did. And we're going to be moving on to the next spread, which is going to be our monthly cover, and it's blank, but I already designed everything beforehand in Procreate. This is where I used to design all my digital journals, art, and everything, and I'm impressed with what I did so far, so I'm just transporting it to my gallery so I can use it in the journal. And after I did that for the front cover, and also I did it for everything, so I will be putting it on the digital journal in Goodnotes. All I did was to copy and paste, not copy and paste, all I did was to take it from Goodnotes, from photo, and put it in Goodnotes. I'm cropping it right now. I found it hard to position everything, but I figured it out. And I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. It's easy using Goodnotes. I really love Goodnotes because it's a one-time payment thing, but it's really worth it. There are other digital journaling apps out there that might be free. I haven't tried them, and if I do, I will definitely make a video about it. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Like, I haven't gotten my things yet from the other country I moved from, so I'm really managing and struggling right now. I had to do a DIY setup for my camera, which I will post the video so you can see it. I finally figured how to post my camera so I can video for you guys, and here we are. And hopefully I did a good job, at least for now. But I'll be getting my things soon, and I'm so excited about that. It's not been easy moving from one country to another, but we're here and we just have to live with it, Okay, so I just finished doing my monthly spread. I did my habit tracker, and now this is my anime cover, favorite cover of all. The picture you can see there is my baby Naruto and Sasuke. I mean, if you're an otaku person, you should know them. And the one on the left, the far left, is Ichigo. If you say you've watched anime, you should know Bleach. And Bleach is like my best anime ever, the first anime I ever watched, and the love of my life, Ichigo. So I just had to put him in my cover, and it came out great. So now we're moving on to our weekly spread. And I forgot to tell you, the theme of February is cactus. I don't know, I just fell in love with cactus. I downloaded this stickers from Creative Fabrica. I don't know if you know it, but you should know it because that's the best marketplace to go and get things for free. When I mean for free, I mean you have to subscribe, obviously, but you're downloading like tons and tons and tons of stickers for free. You can use them commercially, you can use them however you want, and you just have to pay a little amount every month. I mean, this is practically giving them out for free. This is my gratitude page. We turned out so awesome. I'm so glad. Everything you see here, I got them from Creative Fabrica. And now it's time for the flip through. You can download this digital bullet journal in the link below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share, comment. Comment if you really love my work and you want to see more. I really love to see your comments. So, see ya.